Okay guys, for today's recipe, I'm making chicken wings. Fry natin ito. Then, gawa tayo ng sauce. Meron akong parsley, green onion, carrots, and garlic. Then, I have all-purpose cream, tsaka evaporated milk, and flour para sa sauce. And then guys, i-blend natin yung carrots tsaka green onion tsaka yung parsley and garlic, okay? Then guys, pirutuin muna natin yung chicken wings. Okay. Meron akong harina. Tapos yun. Okay guys, ipa-fry natin ng 2 beses to. Okay guys, this is the second fry. Okay guys, magluto na tayo ng sauce sa chicken wings natin. Here, meron akong butter dito at saka carrots, parsley, and green onion. So, lutuin muna natin to. Pakuluin natin ng konti. Then guys, linagyan ko ng 3 tablespoons of flour ito para lumapot ang sauce natin. And then guys, linagyan ko ng 1 can of evaporated milk. Then let it boil. Okay. Then guys, malapot na yung sauce natin. Lagyan natin ng isang cube, chicken cube. Tapos, lalagyan ko ng all-purpose cream, isang lata. And then, lagyan natin ng black pepper. Tapos, lagyan ko ng 1 can of mushroom. Para lalong masarap yung alaking sauce ko. So, mix it well. Let it boil. Okay guys, this is the second can of mushroom. Sorry, I put 2 can of mushroom instead of 1. Okay. And then mix it. This is almost done. Okay guys, I put a little bit of cheese para maging creamy and masarap yung malaalaking sauce ko. Okay, and then mix it well. And then guys, mag-plating na tayo. Lagyan natin ng sauce yung chicken wings natin. Okay. Then, lagyan natin ng dry parsley. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. God bless. Please like and share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless. Bye. Let's eat.